I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. But I'm telling you, I'm asking you, what did I do wrong? What? I'm not resisting. No, I was walking away. I'm not. I'm just asking you, what did I do wrong right now? What did I do wrong right now? No, I was asking. I was asking. Asking what I did wrong. I have not. No, I was just asking what I did wrong. Okay, I'm not resisting.
Can you please bring my mic? Spare 25.
Spare 25? Where do you need me to move it? Up there?
That's all good, bro. My partner gave you the opportunity to speak up. But you refuse to identify yourself.
Thank you.
Dude, I totally get that. But you failed. Sean, did you get any calls for making it?
But I was asking.
I wasn't recording you. I just had my phone out.
Okay.
But they're doing a job. But why do you record them?
Because I like the action and the night scenes, and it just shows that the behaviors how people act and react and how they act.
If you have a question, come up to them. Don't come up aggressive.
I'm not aggressive.
Well, the two interactions I saw,
Well, it's just to show that, what people might think and thoughts and reactions of,
I lost my job because of people like you.
Well, I'm not the problem. I mean, if you want to, I just do what I like to do because it's just like the film, as a...
So if I record you,
Okay,
are you
great.
going to be offensive?
No,
Is that going to bother you?
no,
I'm not them. I'm just a regular person. Just
me
like,
too. Me too.
There's always two sides to the story.
Yes, there is.
So when I record things,
Yeah.
I will,
Well, go ahead.
I'm not taking sides.
That's your freedom. That's your choice. I mean, that's not my problem to dictate or control that. I have nothing to do with
But
that.
why do you do it?
I just do it because I like it, because I like capturing every scene of the action of what goes on at night.
But why do you do it here?
I just do it here just
Why
to
do you do it in the southeast?
the southeast. I don't got the time for that.
You don't have time to be in southeast to record how.
Well, hey, well, okay, fine. Then I can go to LA then and check out the action.
No,
up
no, I'm
there.
not asking that. You're in San Diego.
Yeah, I mean, it happens here. It happens everywhere.
Correct.
You know.
But why does it specific here?
Oh, because there's more stuff happening here. That's why.